Oh shit, this is that motherfucking swag. It's neff freestyle. Shout out to Artifice Interests on YouTube.com. But I gotta get it, gotta hurry up and get it, gotta hurry up and spit it. Fuck they mean, and a nigga coming in it. Motherfucker come in, right. When I come right in, I don't give a fuck, nigga running back in. I don't give a fuck when the guns in here, when the run in here. Nigga come here when the comes in here, when the motherfucker what, when the grounds in here. Cause my niggas and my goons in here, give a fuck about you up in here. Cause I'm coming in this bitch, and you know that bitch want me, and I'm coming on that bitch. Oh shit, drumming, keep on drumming on the bitch. I don't give a fuck like the paint, like the motherfucking, like the drum pattern. There's a lot of fucking words. But I gotta get it, gotta hurry up and get it, motherfucker come spit it, come back when I come spit it. I don't give a fuck, nigga come back in it, and I'm back and I come back in it. I don't give a fuck, and that nigga just get in, nigga just got it. Tell them niggas ain't no problem, got money over here, I don't care, got money over there, with the party over there, got a party over here, everybody come with the party over here, with what? Crap party over here, I don't give a fuck, like, bitches out there motherfucking underwear, I don't really care, got bitches out there motherfucking underwear, really don't care when they're in here, yeah, they in here. Fuck, it's hard trying to keep up and shit with the fucking beat. Fuck. But, you know, I don't give no fuck, I'll be beating this bitch. Motherfucker come back in this bitch, nigga come with the motherfucking clip, full ass clip, nigga be about the bullshit, nigga come whip, and that nigga come rip, bet that nigga gon' come with the zip, nigga unzip. They gon' have to come with the zip, come with the bag, and I smoke out of the bag, and I smoke another bag, and I smoke another thing, smoke another thing, and I smoke another thing, smoke another thing, and it ain't no thing, and I come back in, and the motherfucking hang, let my two fucking nuts on hang on that bitch on forehead, cause he hang around me, and hang around me a lot of times, and I come back with a lot of rhymes, and I don't get no fuck, I put a lot of dimes, I don't get no fuck, I'm in this bitch, and I'm about to get signed, and I'm back in the bitch, suck on my dick, that's what the fuck I tell a bitch like this. Walk your ass over there. No, it's just playing. Come back in and I'm straight killing shit. Come back in with a lot freestyle. This a lot freestyle right now. This dialing motherfucker come in right with the dialing. Money and dollars, motherfucker just like it. Like when I dialing. With that money piling, let that money pile in. Get in, gotta hurry up and get it in. I don't give a fuck, and that nigga just when they get in. I don't give a fuck, then that nigga get it in. Nigga, nah. Just get it in. Fuck, I'll try it. I don't give a fuck, and I'm killing this beat just like this, cause I wanna kill a beat. I don't give a fuck, man. You hear with the feet, you hear with the bad bitch come with the feet. When the motherfuckers brand new shit on the feet, I don't give a fuck. I just lift her feet up in their air. I fuck around and suck on her fucking feet. Nigga come down with no defeat. Nigga come with that full clip. Nigga come with that bullshit. Nigga come with that hit the hip, and I hit the hip, and I hit your hit, and I hit your hit. That's a perfect hit when I come through this bitch, cause you know they on my dick, and I came back in for the rhymes, in for the times. This about time, this a motherfucker time that a nigga gon' shine, that a nigga got it in, nigga get it in, motherfucker got mine, motherfucker tryna just get mine. I don't give a fuck, and I'm out my mind, give no fuck, and I'm pulling dimes, damn. What the fuck I just do? What the fuck I just do? I don't even know, but a nigga just cool, this what the fuck I do. Everybody know this what the fuck I do. Represent man from my motherfucking city. Who the fuck is with me? Who the fuck what? Who the fuck is coming with me? Swag to the motherfucking top. Yeah. And the nigga just get it. And the nigga just it's a whole lot of motherfucking bass. Bass up in this bitch. Bass up in her face. Bass up in her... Tell her how it tastes. Them hoes getting wet, cause that motherfucking bass coming through this bitch, and I come on her face. I don't give a fuck, I come on her face, and I coming again, and I coming again, and I'm coming to win, and I'm coming again. She's coming again, she's coming again, she's owing it, and what I will spend the 10 to 20, 50, 50, 10, 100, 100, 100. Who's want it, want it, want it? Come, blunt it, blunt it, blunt it. I'm stunting. This is nothing. This is me. Swag to the mother. No. Hell no. Hey, I just killed this though. Real shit.